been concerned about the air pollution in China for many, many years.
Air pollution in China is terrible. If you look at satellite photographs of China, you see from the photographs that you really can't see the ground.
Ranges from heart disease, heart attacks, respiratory disease, asthma attacks if you already have asthma, lung cancer, and many of these things. There's a great burden for mortality, but also a large morbidity burden as well. So it's not efficient.
Yeah, they range from neurological diseases, cardiovascular disease is a large one, mortality, morbidity. Hospital admissions in general increase with air pollution.
So cardiovascular mortality, pulmonary mortality, loss of cognitive function, increased inflammation, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Air pollution is just really bad.
Okay, for outdoor, there's local sources such as coal power plants or vehicles. And also, even from burning the woods in wintertime in households can cause air pollution.
So outdoor, you might expect there to be pollution from factories and power plants and cars, but indoors you have sources as well from the materials you use to build buildings and for your furniture. And so a lot of those chemicals can have impacts as well.
Yeah, there's lots of different sources, some of which are natural, some of which are anthropogenic. The utility sector, coal-burning power plants is a large one. Certainly roadway traffic is another large source of air pollution.
Yeah, there's traffic tail gas from cars, and also apparently the emissions from your factories in the city.
For motor vehicles, we can make sure that all our vehicles pass certain clean air tests. For stationary sources, you could put on filters on the smokestacks and such.
I think the shift to more renewable energies and less reliance on fossil fuels.
I think a lot of it has to do with top-down, so I think the government plays a large role in regulating sources such as the utility sector, as well as automobile standards to make cars cleaner and more fuel efficient. Yeah, I know that it's quite a large problem, on the order of 10 times higher particulate concentrations than the United States, for example.
Yes, I've heard a lot about it. I think they have a really big outdoor air pollution problem with all the energy production they've been doing with the power plants they have there. And I think it's been pretty well described, at least in our field, that we're very aware of the problems they have there.
I have heard about air pollution in China. I read a study where they had people go outside in Beijing, I think, and their blood pressure went up.
Yeah, I'd love to. I'll be there.
Of course, I would love to join.
That's great, absolutely. I think that's excellent.
Sure. I love to learn everything about air pollution in China.
Okay, yes, of course, I'd love to come.
Sure, I'd be delighted.
That would be wonderful. Thank you for the invitation.